Hey everybody, welcome back to Pete's Classic Cycle, and today we continue work on this 1972 Kawasaki S2 350. In the last video I said the next step was to install all of the electrical components, but before I cause a huge cobweb of wire harnesses coming out the front, I want to finish up the front end with all the new parts and stuff that I have ready to go. That way we're not working around all the wires. So without any further ado, let's get back to work on the bike. This would be the perfect time to subscribe to this channel to stay up to date on this and many other awesome things. Now back to the build. Well guys, after 3 long years, countless hours of work, countless hours of research, the bike is finally finished, and I gotta admit, from where I'm standing, it looks pretty darn good. Not to toot my own horn here, but I'm really proud with this bike. when we started it, we weren't exactly sure how in depth we were going to go, and it ended up being a full nut and bolt restoration. We kind of partway through the restoration decided to make it as accurate as possible to how it would have come off the showroom floor. So that meant tons of research going into positions and which bolts go where, and cable routing and so on and so forth. So every single nut and bolt on this bike is OEM. It's been all replated or sourced new old stock. All the cable routing, tons of new old stock parts, a lot of reproduction parts as well with the cables and whatnot. But this is, from my research, exactly how it would have rolled off the showroom floor. Now, granted, we didn't want to over-restore the bike. The owner and I both felt it was important to keep or to save as many original parts as we could to maintain some original aesthetic and patina, because after all, it is a 50-year-old bike, and those parts do share a lot of stories. So yeah, the wheels and spokes are original, the pipes are original, there's a bit of patina on them, you know, the gauge clusters, the headlight bucket in the ring, things like that, the turn signals. But those are all parts that also looked good enough where they were worth saving. Now, one thing that's pretty cool is you and I are actually the first people to see the bike in its completed form outside in the sun. And not even the owner has seen it like this. For the last few months, I kind of told him no more updates. I've been sending him little teaser shots of various parts going on the bike. He's never seen a full shot like this. So he should be pulling up any second now, where we'll all get to share in the big reveal together. So I'm really, really excited for that. Hopefully he likes the bike as much as I do. I think he's going to be absolutely blown away. So just waiting for him to pull up, and hopefully he likes it.
Wow, that is awesome.
Amazing.
Absolutely awesome. Wow. There you have it. Perfect.
Is that the thing that was in our barn?
That's it. That's the same one.
Oh
Wow.
my goodness. You did awesome.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. Beautiful job. Beautiful job.
Thank you.
Wow.
Oh.
Yeah.
It took long enough, it should look good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Turned out perfect.
Yeah.
Turned out perfect.
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah. Yeah, that's just, I gotta sit on it.
It's your bike.
Are you on movie set or?
Yeah, it's on video.
Hard to believe. You know how long that's been in my barn? You don't want to know.
No, I know my uncle told me about it a couple years before you even approached me about it.
Yeah, because I had talked to him, and like it was running, but
Yeah.
like with all that mismatched parts and stuff.
Perfect. Not quite, but it's getting there.
Yeah, runs nice. Beautiful.
So I gotta admit, it is pretty cool that after being built 52 years ago, this bike is now getting a second lease on life. It'll be enjoyed and ridden and loved by its new owner. So that is such a cool experience to be part of. So thank you again for joining me on this adventure. It's been quite the ride. This is Pete from Pete's Classic Cycle, and as always, please ride safe.